Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use stop loss in KuCoin. First, navigate to the trading interface on the KuCoin platform. Select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, like BTC/USD. Then, locate the stop limit or stop market option within the order entry section. This feature is crucial for managing risk effectively and protecting your capital from significant market downturns. Understanding its function is key to smarter trading. To set a stop limit order, input the stop price, which is the trigger point for your order. For example, if Bitcoin drops to $60,000, your order activates. Next, set your limit price, say $59,900, which is the maximum you're willing to sell for. Finally, enter the quantity of crypto you want to protect. This two-step process gives you precise control over your exit strategy. KuCoin offers both stop limit and stop market orders. Stop limit gives you control over the execution price, ensuring you don't sell below a certain point. Stop market, however, guarantees execution once triggered, but at the current market price. Both are powerful tools for risk management, helping you avoid substantial losses during volatile market conditions and protecting your investment portfolio. For advanced users, consider adjusting your stop loss upwards as your trade becomes profitable, effectively locking in gains. This is often called a trailing stop. Also, always place your stop loss at a logical level, not just an arbitrary number, perhaps below a key support level. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This smart vacuum can truly revolutionize your home cleaning routine, making life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.